So, hello and welcome. I want to present today something so amazing. This is really amazing. Listen, what you get. You get everything here. This is from traffic domination and is a toolbox and so many things inside. You get everything you need for your business. It is a business in a box. You get many unlimited squeeze pages, bridge pages. You get also you get also social post, social media post magic. That is to post your content in many social media platforms with one click, and you get animated content that you can use. You don't even need to write it your own. You get also a traffic on top of that all. It's really amazing. Take a look and take a look at it. Yeah, it's really so amazing. You get everything. I think you won't get something like this anywhere else. Uh, just take a look at it and you will experience something new. That's all for now. And look inside. Bye.